this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your email signature in Outlook Office 365. Whether you want to update your contact details, add a logo, or create a new signature, the process is quick and easy. Open Outlook and click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner, select Account, then choose Signatures. If you are using Classic Outlook, go to File, Options, Mail, then click Signatures. To edit an existing signature, select it from the list and make your changes in the editor. You can update your name, job title, phone number, website, or add images and formatting. To create a new signature, click New, give it a name, and enter the signature you want to use. Then choose whether it should be the default signature for new emails, replies, and forwards. When you're finished, click Save to apply your changes. The next time you compose an email, your updated signature will appear automatically. You can also switch between different signatures while writing an email by selecting the signature option in the Compose window. That's how to change your signature in Outlook Office 365. Thanks for watching.